In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock the App Store on your iPhone. Whether you want to prevent accidental purchases or control app installations, this is a crucial skill for maintaining your device's security and managing your digital environment. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening the Settings app. This is your gateway to the various configurations and options on your iPhone. Once you are in Settings, navigate to the Screen Time section. Screen Time is a powerful feature that allows you to monitor and manage the time you and your family spend on your devices. It's also where you can find the controls needed to lock certain features on your iPhone, including the App Store. Next, within the Screen Time menu, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. This section is where you can restrict various types of content and features on your phone. Now, to activate these restrictions, you'll need to turn it on by tapping the toggle at the top. After doing this, you'll see the options under Content and Privacy Restrictions become available for adjustment. With that turned on, the next step is to tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. This option is specifically aimed at controlling access to App Store activities, which include installing apps, deleting them, and making in-app purchases. Now, to ensure that these actions require explicit permission, you'll need to set each option specifically to Don't Allow. This means that without the necessary approval, apps cannot be installed or deleted, and no in-app purchases can take place. It's an excellent way to ensure that your or your child's device isn't making unintended transactions or changing the app setup without oversight. Once you've adjusted these settings to your satisfaction, it's crucial not to skip this last step. Head back to the main Screen Time menu, and you'll see an option to set a Screen Time passcode. This passcode is essential because it locks in the changes you've just made, preventing anyone from coming along and reversing them without your permission. Be sure to set a passcode that's secure, but also something you'll remember, as forgetting it could lock you out of making any further changes. Following these simple steps, you can have peace of mind knowing that the App Store is locked and won't be easily accessible for unauthorized activity. It's all about having control over your digital environment and ensuring that your settings align with your preferences and needs. That's all there is to it. Thank you for tuning in to this quick guide. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher, and stay tuned for more handy tech tips and tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more useful content.